Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Sieral 120 Pcs Bamboo Toothbrush Set. A perfect blend of eco-friendliness and practicality for your oral care needs. This set includes 120 bamboo toothbrushes, each individually wrapped for hygiene, and comes in 12 vibrant colors like blue, green, purple, and white, ensuring you never mix up your toothbrush again. Crafted with soft nylon bristles, these toothbrushes are gentle on your teeth and gums, while the durable bamboo handle offers a comfortable grip with its round edges and corrosion-resistant properties. Measuring approximately 7 inches, these compact and portable toothbrushes are perfect for both kids and adults, making them a versatile choice for home use or travel. Designed with travelers in mind, they easily fit into your luggage without taking up much space, ensuring you maintain your oral hygiene on the go. The eco-friendly bamboo handle not only provides a sturdy grip but also contributes to a sustainable lifestyle, making it an ideal choice for environmentally conscious individuals. So, whether you're at home or on a business trip, the Sieral Bamboo Toothbrush Set is your reliable companion for maintaining a bright and healthy smile. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.